Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Honda Dio DX. So here you can see the Honda Dio. So these are running LED DRLs, so it is not visible at now, so it is sunny day now. So see the color of the matte black finishing and very shining on this color. I don't know why the shine of this color, black finishing, nice look. So here you can see the LED lights of LEDs, complete LED lights. And this is BX6 engine, and here you can see the design of indicator front, very massive and aggressive design we can say. So here you can see these are bulbs of LEDs indicators. So coming to the telescopic shock absorber, these are front telescopic shock absorber, nice performance of telescopic shock absorber. The tire profile is TVS tires, and the profile of the tire is 90 12 inches tires. These are 12 inches tires, and here you can see the color is different color, green color, nice finishing coating color, nice color. I like the color on the wheels. So these are no disc brake on the front, only a drum brake and combo brake it is. So front is an aggressive design. So this is a number plate position, and here you can see the DX stickering Honda badge here, and complete shining color. So here you can see the space of the front, and not so much, this is a short scooter I can say, but the price is very high. And this is the side profile of the Dio DX. So here you can see the air vents design, nice retro design and unique design I can say. Very cross cuttings on this bike, and fiber is nice, plastics are good quality, and rear foot pegs. So here you can see the Dio badge in chrome finishing. See the fan design, very nice, and it's a tiger grill finishing on the fan, very nice. But also a plastic finishing on this bike. The weight of the vehicle is around 106 kgs, I don't know exactly, 100 kgs. So very cross cuttings, and the weight has reduced completely to the Dio to get the mileage I think so. So here you can see the plastic on the fan, and not so plastic also, it's called as aluminium finishing, nice finishing, and metallic finishing on the silencer, dual tone. It's a light green color chrome finish, light green finishing on the silencer. Here you can see two parts. So coming to the rear tire profile, and see the color of the tires, green wheels, awesome color. I like the color on the wheels, on the black combo finishing. So tire profile of the rear is 90 110 inches tires. So rear coming to the 10 inches tires. So this is the outlook of complete engine. So here we can see. So coming to the rear, so this is a taillight of Dio, Honda Dio. There you can see the bulbs. There is no LEDs on this price segment. I am disappointing very much on this bike. And indicators also bulbs. So Honda badge. Here is a number plate placement, and these are the reflection of light dummy. So very cross-cutting design, very what we call as all the cuts on the design. Anyway you can see there are many cuts. So this is single monopoly shock absorber, 5-way adjustable, and here you can see the air filter of Dio, and it's a BS6 engine HET. So here you can see the nice piano black finishing on the engine. I like this treatment on the engine. Honda badge again. See the color on the finishing of the engine, nice smooth finishing. So very nice. Tire profile is very short I can say at this price. Design of Dio from the first generation to till today, so there is no changes lot much. So foot pegs are nice quality, and coming to the seat, very short. So I don't know why they decrease the seat length of the seat, and seat comfort is very nice. Seat cover is also very nice. Here you can see the grab finishing, racing finishing stickering. It's not a stickering, but it's a plastic finishing, nice quality. And here you can see the pillion holders. And coming to the seat, under the seat, here you can see Dio logo again. Here this is a battery placement, and this is 18 liters of boot space in the Dio. Nice full size helmet it will be fixed, and some more stuff also. So nice plastic finishing, good finishing. So here you can see very practical again, a bottle holder or a what we call as a pocket holder. Here you can see nice space to keep. This is a hook of the front, it can be carried around 3 kgs, and another hook. Here you can see this is no adjustable, it is also fixed. And Dio logo again here. There are many stickers, and many they are written of Dio, so that we should not forget the vehicle of what we are driving. So coming to the handlebars, short handles, and horn is decent. Indicators high beam and low beam. Here you can see I like the feature of this single switch feature, engine kill switch and startup feature also in a single. So again some more stuff to keep a small size of space there. And this is a key placement here. It has copied from the Activa 5Gs and 6Gs, as you can say. So this is a key of Dio, same as Activa. So here you can see the instrument cluster, complete swipe of the instrument cluster, fuel injection here, time. I like the best feature of the Honda bikes is giving the time, and here you can see Eco Performance logo and trip A, only a single trip. Average means what is the mileage giving to the vehicle, and odometer. Speedometer is very big, and on the other side complete digital meter and nice design. Also in this also we can say as very cross cuttings. I don't know why Dio has very cross-cutting designs, not a simplicity design, very aggressive design on the, also in instrument cluster. Here you can see very sportive and aggressive design on the instrument also, and side view mirrors are large enough, nice design, unique design, diamond shaped designs, and nothing much to say of Dio. So there are 8 colors in the Dio, very nice. I like the blue finishing, blue and white finishing on the Honda Dio of this vehicle. This is a walk around video of Honda Dio, nothing much to say as compared to the first generation. It is same. So let's go to test drive and see. So friends, first is first. Very silent and refined engine, we can say, BS4 to BS6. So giving a throttle, complete digital meter. I have given the complete throttle to this vehicle. So let's see how it will perform. 110cc engine. This is 8 bhp of power and 6 Newton meters of torque. There is no RPM meter in this. Not at all performing the vehicle at this price segment. Honda is disappointed me in this Dio. I don't know why. But the suspension is, on the other hand, suspension is nice. Very disappointed me this vehicle. See, giving a full throttle, it is not crossing at 50 speed also. And don't know why it is. Brakes are too good, combo brakes. At 110cc, 8 bhp of power is very less. 6 Newton meters torque is also very less. So because of that, there is no performance of this vehicle. Only we can buy this vehicle to ride in a city rides in traffic. Not at all performing. I am disappointed. See, completely giving throttle also, it is no performance at all. It is very difficult to cross the speed, and also no performance, nothing. Only the vehicle is too good in city rides. So here you can see the turning radius, very short, and easily we can maneuver it in traffic. So not at all good. I am satisfied at the price segment. Ex-showroom Hyderabad is 85,000, very high. At this price segment we get very good vehicles, very nice quality vehicles, nice performance vehicles, nice braking, disc brake vehicles as compared to Yamaha ZR. That is very good. Somewhat 10,000 difference to that and this bike, but also giving a price at this high segment. Also we are not getting a good suspension is very nice. Front has a telescopic shock absorber, and both the tires are 10 inches, very short. So mileage is also good, 50 kilometers per liter, and the fuel capacity I don't know exactly, about 4.5 liters of this fuel capacity. A refined engine, I can say, very silent engine. So side view mirrors are good, and handlebars are somehow short. So I don't know, it has disappointed me very much. I am giving a rating of this vehicle at 10 out of 6. Because no performance at this price segment. I am saying many times no performance. As you can, at this price segment there is no disc brake in this 2020 BS6. Very annoying thing, that is no disc brake at 85,000. And it is a fuel injection of BS6 giving a good mileage and no pollution. So eco mode, it is only a single mode on this bike, eco mode. After crossing a certain speed, it will on automatically. Green lights here you can see in green. One more minus point of this bike is when you're giving a throttle from the beginning, so it is completely vibration on foot pegs. I don't know why, front foot pegs full of vibrations. I don't know why it is giving a vibration on this vehicle. Overall overall it is nothing to say much of this vehicle. Only who are fans of Dio, they can be go to BS4 to BS6, they can exchange, and it has a resale value in the market also. For street rides and metropolitan cities only it can be better. For no long rides it will be comfort, I can say, and seat length is also very less. And brakes are also, when you're pressing lightly, it is performing very good, and harder on brakes not at all good, I can say. Very lagging of brakes. So this is a walk around and test drive video of Honda Dio. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram. And who are interested to buy the Honda vehicles, please visit near Eragata Honda showroom. So you get a best amazing discounts on these Honda bikes. Please subscribe and show to them. So thank you so much for watching.